It was a hot summer's day. A thirsty crow flew into a village in search of water. The crow flew over the houses, fields, and trees, but he did not find any water. After a long time, he came across a farm. Under one of the trees on the farm was a pitcher of water. Happy that he found some water finally. But unfortunately, there was a very little water in the pitcher. The crow put his beak inside the pitcher but could not reach the water. The water level was too low. He tried to push the vessel down to let the water out, but it was too heavy. The crow was very disappointed. He was really thirsty and needed a drink of water badly. He could have given up and flown to another farm looking for water, but he did not. Instead, he looked around and thought, what else can I do? He saw that there were a lot of pebbles on the farm and he had an idea. He collected pebble and put it into the pitcher. He collected another pebble and another and put them all in the pitcher. As he added more and more stones, the water level came up to the brim. The crow drank the water and flew back happily.